Hello, my name is Kaisar Javed. I'm a management trainee officer at Engro Fertilizers. So the objective for this training was to basically, since I work on a lot of reports and also on analysis of those reports, my objective was to basically streamline those processes to be more efficient in those and to increase the quality of my report. And through this training, I learned a lot of new things. I've worked on a lot of different projects as well, and things like Power Query, things like data validation is something that I learned. And along with that, I was also able to understand how AI can be integrated, how the prompts can be made more better, and the formulas that can be generated through those prompts. So that was something that I learned, and my objectives were met successfully. And for this training, I would like to thank Engro Fertilizers for nominating me and YouExcel for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you.